exposing the secrets to fixing your MetaQuest 3's internet issues. Ready? Let's dive in. First, a simple restart can fix many issues. Just turn off your headset and turn it back on. If that doesn't work, check your Wi-Fi. Make sure you're entering the correct password. Try connecting to a different network or forget, and reconnect to your current one. Still no luck? Use the Meta Horizon app to manage your Wi-Fi settings. A hard reboot might help too. Hold the power button for 30 seconds until it restarts. Don't forget to update your software. Keeping it up to date can solve many problems. Check for third-party accessories that might interfere with Wi-Fi. Sometimes, less is more. If your router is dual band, disable the 5 GHz band and try connecting to the 2.4 GHz band. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. It's a bit drastic, but it might just do the trick. And there you have it. Follow these steps and your MetaQuest 3 should be back online in no time.